If you are new here, welcome. Before you guys leave, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and then also hit the notification bell right next to it so you don't miss each time I upload, if that's something that will be interesting to you. So on to what this video is about. If you cannot tell by how I'm looking right now, I'm going to be doing my hair. So I pretty much done majority of it. So the process that I've taken, I have parted my hair. So I split it up into two sections. So last night before I went to bed, I parted my hair all up. And I do the rubber band method, by the way. And then this morning when I woke up, I went on ahead and started the box braiding process. Just because like now, I mean, I can usually do it in one setting, but I'm lazy. So in all, like including the parting and me doing my hair, I only have three left. What do I have left? Yep. Nope, I have 4 left. There's one hiding behind here. So I have 4 left. And all, it took me a long time. I don't know, like I've been taking breaks, like a lot of breaks. Last night it took me about an hour and a half or so to part my hair. And today I've just been, ever since I woke up, I've just been, hey, I'm gonna braid my hair. And then I take a break and I'm like, hey, I'm gonna braid my hair. And then I take a break. So I can't really tell you how long it's taking me, but normally when I do my box braids in one sitting, it normally takes me about 5-6 hours to do total, depending on the size that I'm doing. Today I'm doing more so medium size than anything. So on to what I'm going to be needing, what you're going to be needing to do this. Of course, clips, I'm already using one. If you're doing the rubber band method, you're going to need rubber band. A comb, mine is a little dirty because I've been using mine. The Shine and Jam gel. The braiding hair, of course. So I just use the free tress braid. This is the jumbo pack or whatever. It's 6 packs that come in each. 6 packs come in each pack, if that makes any sense. It comes to 6 packs. Sorry, it's my son crying in the background. Give me 1 second. Yep, I'm gonna quickly finger detangle, and I'm just gonna go in with some of the Shine and Jam gel. Rub that all over the section. Your hair should look something like this. So, I mean, that's what my hair usually looks like. I'm gonna grab the comb. I'm gonna detangle. I don't know why I always set myself up for failure by recording without a mirror. Smart of me, right? Hopefully this turns out okay. So I combed it out. Depending on the size that you want will depend on how much hair you use. I just been really picking whatever feels right to me. So we're gonna start with this bit. And then how I do it is split it in 2 sections. So you have 2 separate sections. One section is smaller than the other section. I cross it over just like that. So you have two pieces like that. And then I'm really bad at explaining stuff, by the way, but if you're a visual learner, you know. So I have 2 separate pieces here. This I'm gonna make into 1 piece, and these are gonna be 2 pieces, and I can already tell. So I'm gonna take just a little bit from the smaller section. I go by feel, you guys. So if it feels like it's gonna be too big, yep, that seems about right. So I just took a little bit from this section and added it to this section. And now it seems like we're gonna be pretty darn even with the section. So this is gonna be 3 sections. This is 1 section. This top one is 2 sections. And this third one is 3 sections because you have 3 parts to a braid. I grab the hair just like this, both sides like this. And then I'm gonna flip it over and add it to the piece of hair. So I'm gonna grip my hair with my index finger and thumb. I'm gonna take my index finger on my right hand and I'm gonna just pull it right through like that. So 2 of the pieces are on this hand, and then I have 1 piece is up here. This is gonna be connected to the braid, to 1 strand of the braid. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the Shine and Jam gel, just mold it together some more. And then I'm gonna pull it taut so it's nice and tight. And I'm gonna start braiding. This is just a regular plait at this point. That's why I like doing it like this. This method is a lot easier for me to connect the hair. I'm gonna braid it down, continue to braid. And then when I get to a point where I can just grip it. I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair so it can go ahead and mix in with the braiding hair a little bit more, so it's not sticking out. And I'm gonna continue to braid down. And then once I reach the end of my hair, I'm gonna change the position of where I'm braiding, because obviously I can't braid all the way down like this, doing it on myself. I'm not the best braider in the world. I'm gonna show you guys what the braid is looking like. This hair is 28 inches, by the way. There you have it. There's a braid. Go ahead and throw that back. And I'm gonna try to show you guys again a little better. Starting by detangling this little section here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Shine and Jam. Apply that to the section. And if you feel you need more, add more. I'm gonna comb that through. Yeah, about this much. I'm gonna go ahead and split this in two, with one of the sections being smaller than the other. So something like that. Cross it over. Then fold it just like that. You have 3 sections. This one here is one section, and these two are 2 different sections in the braiding. In the braid, okay? So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna grip this part. Then I'm gonna grip these 2 just like this, with my middle finger going in between the braids, in between the parts. And then I'm gonna have my thumb and my index finger gripping the top portion. I'm gonna flip it over just like this, and then attach it wherever the braid is. Attach it to my hair, and try to grip your hair. Like when you put it on, pull your hair a little bit so that it's taut with the braiding hair, so you don't have that much of a loose braid. And then just start braiding down. And then when I get to a good portion, I'm going to add a little bit more Shine and Jam. Add a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take my comb and comb it out, just to go ahead and melt those 2 together. And then I'm gonna continue to braid. Try not to get the ends too tangled. Alright, so hello guys. In the midst of me recording my video yesterday, my camera cut off on me, and I just ended up kind of finishing my hair and then just going to sleep. So this is pretty much what it's looking like right now. I separated off these 2 sections here because these are all braided all the way down to the ends, and it looks kind of crazy right now, I know. And then I have a little piece here that I twisted up of what I need to still braid down. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I'm gonna go ahead and braid. It's like a regular plait. If you know how to plait, you can do this, no problem. So once I get like basically to a length that I kind of like, I'm gonna go ahead and separate a small piece. And what I do is I pretty much knot it on the ends. So I'll take it and I'll wrap it around just like this, hold it like that to make a loop, put my index finger through, my index finger and thumb, and then take this piece of hair, pull it through the middle, and I'll knot it just to keep it from coming loose. And then that's what that looks like on the ends, if you guys can see that. I'm going to go ahead and put some water on to boil, and then I'm going to dip the braids in the water, the boiling water, so they can seal those ends up and they won't unravel. Which you guys probably already know all this, but you know, there may be someone out there that doesn't know this, that's watching my video. So my thing is, as long as I can help someone in some type of way, that I've done some good, I've done what I came here to do. So that's my main goal, to help at least one person with some kind of information. That's, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of these here. I'm gonna speed it up, put some music on, and let you guys watch. It's pretty repetitive at this point. I think I got all of them. The ones that I did put in these cute little pigtails here. But I think I got everything pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Why not? I'll give you guys what it's looking like before so you can tell, you know, the difference of what it looks like after I cut it and dip it and all that good jazz. All that good stuff. So, this is how my parting is looking in the front, you guys. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. From the front, I'm about 5'7", so this 28 inches of hair comes down to my waist here, because I probably cut a lot off. This is what the back looks like before I cut anything off. So before I cut it, it comes all the way down to my butt. But when I cut it, I'll cut a majority of this off. These are what my parts are looking like in the back. Nothing too crazy. Did I miss one? I missed one, you guys. All right, guys, listen. I'm done with my hair, finally, okay? And kind of happy about that. Now, it didn't turn out the best because, like I said, I didn't braid the best. So when I dipped it in the water, it set the mess that I, did when I was braiding. So, other than that, I mean, I think it looks pretty darn good. I mean, some of them are, I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna just show you what it looks like. I'm gonna just show you. Like I said, yeah, it kind of set the mesh. That's what it looks like from the back. Like I said, not bad. See, I did go ahead and trim those ends off, trimmed all that, stringy mess off. And this is what I'm left with. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna still wear it. I'm gonna still rock it, to the best of my abilities. Once it dries, it may not look that bad. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, this is the final result, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's all over the place. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you are new. Like this video if you did enjoy it. Comment anything you want to see from me. Comment anything, that's on your mind. This is an open space. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, guys.